Ever wondered what it's like to embark on the Celebrity Eclipse or on a ship docked at the Boston cruise port? Come along with me as we board the ship and tour our ocean view cabin, cabin 3149. It feels surreal to be back here so soon. We just disembarked the Norwegian Jade yesterday after a week-long cruise to Canada and New England. After our fun day exploring Boston yesterday and a restful night at the Hampton Inn right next door to the port, we're ready to set sail again. But instead of heading north, this time we are cruising south. The Celebrity Eclipse is repositioning from Boston to Fort Lauderdale with stops in Bermuda and the ABC Islands. She looks absolutely stunning sitting here at the pier under clear blue skies. Hard to believe the Jade was docked in this exact spot just 24 hours ago. Let's head inside the terminal and get this embarkation day started. Coming into the port from the Hampton Inn next door, we first have to make our way past passengers who are disembarking the Celebrity Eclipse and waiting for their rides. They exit through the doors on the right side of the terminal. As we weave through the crowds, I can't help but wonder, are they a little sad to be leaving? Maybe even looking at us, wishing they were the ones starting a new cruise? I know that's exactly how I feel whenever I'm disembarking. It's always a very bittersweet day. Our destination is just ahead, the luggage drop-off area. We pass doors that lead to the escalators that will take us up to the boarding area, pass some fellow passengers on their way to the embarkation area, and arrive at the baggage drop-off. With our tags already in place, we hand our bags over to the porters along with a quick $1 to $2 tip per bag. From here, we head toward the door that says "To the ship." At the top of the escalator, we'll begin the embarkation process, but first we wait in the queue for check-in to begin. After meeting up with our friends who are also cruising with us on this trip and a short wait, we begin the ascent up the escalator to the check-in area. Seems like we were just here. Wait, we were, just a week ago. At the top of the escalator, the first stop is security screening. Just like at the airport, our carry-on bags go through the scanner and we walk through the metal detector. The process is usually quick and efficient, especially here in Boston. You know, security is always that one last little hurdle before the fun begins. I'm always so eager to just get through it. Once through security, we make our way into the check-in area. This is where celebrity staff verify our travel documents, check our passports, and scan our boarding passes. Each cruise line does it a little differently. Last week while on the Jade, they gave us our key cards here. Celebrity does not give you your key cards in the terminal. We will pick them up outside our cabin door once we're on the ship. With check-in complete, we're directed toward the waiting area. This is where groups are called to board in order. As we wait to be called to board, I can feel the excitement building. There's just something special about those moments right before you step onto the ship. Before long, our group is called and we head down the gangway. Enjoying time chatting with our friends and meeting others on the gangway adds to the excitement of the embarkation process. Walking across the gangway and stepping on board the Celebrity Eclipse for the very first time never gets old. No matter how many cruises I've taken, this moment always thrills me. Now that we are on board, there's only one more thing we must do: check in at our muster station. We already completed the online portion of the safety drill, so this part is quick and simple. With the muster drill complete, our embarkation day process is officially finished. But before I close out today's video, I want to give you a look at our ocean view cabin, cabin 3149. Celebrity allows you to drop off luggage before the rooms are ready. So while it's still being prepared, we'll leave our backpacks and take the opportunity to show you around. Here we go. Let's step inside and take a look. The cabin has a bright, airy feel, thanks to the large ocean view window. The layout places the bed closer to the entry, with the seating area positioned right by the window. Immediately to the right as you enter is the restroom with a full-length mirror just outside. It's a surprisingly spacious bathroom with plenty of storage and a shower that features solid doors instead of a curtain. On the wall opposite the bathroom, you'll also find two handy hooks. Moving further into the cabin, there's ample storage throughout. Overhead cabinets over the bed, bedside tables on both sides, and space beneath the bed large enough for suitcases all help keep things organized. A large closet sits adjacent to the bed. The sofa can convert into a bed for a third guest, and there's also a trundle bed tucked underneath to accommodate a fourth. Across from the seating area is the television, a chest of drawers with 5 drawers, and a cabinet that houses both the safe and the mini fridge. At the vanity, you'll find a lighted mirror, a padded chair, and most importantly, the only outlets in the cabin. There are 2 US outlets and 1 European outlet. We always make sure to bring an adapter so we can take advantage of that European outlet. That's our quick look at Ocean View Cabin 3149. One thing I like about this cabin is its close proximity to the water. It's also close to customer service, the atrium where all the activity happens, and even the dining room. Challenges of this cabin's location is it is off the hallway that the staff use a lot to access the staff-only areas. As for sound, the cabin is pretty quiet. We've had no issues with noise. Internet in this area is not good, but a quick stop at customer service remedied that. To our pleasant surprise, after informing customer service about the issue we were having, we came back to our room about an hour later and noticed they had installed an extender. Wow! From that point on, we had almost lightning fast speeds. Great customer service, Celebrity. Well, I hope this video on the embarkation process and also the cabin tour has helped you in some way as you make plans for your cruise vacation. Feel free to leave a comment or question below. I do read those and I will try to answer them in a timely manner. If you'd like to see even more of the Celebrity Eclipse, I actually filmed a full deck-by-deck ship tour and review earlier this year. I'll link it above and in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted when new content is available. Until next time, God bless and safe cruising out there.